In this video, I'm going to share with you what is copywriting, why is it so popular, what is the earning potential, and how you can learn and grow your career and become a best copywriter and make a lot of money. My name is Gadhvi, and this is the series called 21st Century Careers. And I truly believe copywriting is one of the most powerful career choices anybody can have. You may have heard about the copywriting or may not, but let me tell you what it is, how it is. But in this video, we'll go in detail. So stay tuned and let's go deep dive into copywriting. So what is copywriting? You see, for most of the people, they may think that copywriting is a new age skill or a career. But if you see, copywriting has been in the profession for so many decades, or I don't know, it could also be a century old. Copywriting is the persuasion in writing. Whatever that you write, whether on the billboard or email or sales copies or landing page, this is written by a copywriter. Now, this is not a legal term. I used to think copywriting is a legal term. Ki mera copywriter and nobody can copy it. No, that is different. Copyright. This is copywriting, right? And why is this a great profession? This was actually founded, within 20th century, this became very popular with David Ogilvy becoming the pioneer of writing the sales letters and copies and marketing and advertising. Ever since, it has gone through a lot of evolution, and today it is becoming the mainstream for people learning copywriting. They can charge a lot of money, make a lot of money, and become rich as well. The thing is, how do you do it? Where do you start? So before we go deep into how, let me tell you, I want to share some statistics with you, why I'm so bullish about this skill and why is this one of the most powerful skills that you can acquire. I have some numbers here that I want to share with you. Per email, there are people charging $100. Just for one email copy, $100. For landing pages, people are charging about $10,000 to $30,000 per landing page. Now, of course, there are newbies who are charging $1,000 to $5,000, the complete landing page, right? And then there are people who are charging about $50,000 to $100,000 for end-to-end done for you. What is end-to-end? Turnkey solution. Meaning your landing page, to emails, to cover page, to headlines, everything is covered. It can go from $50,000 to $100,000, meaning 40 to 80 lakhs for one project. Now think about this. How many projects do you need to become a crorepati? 2? That's all. This is how I'm bullish about copywriting, and we'll talk about the statistics as we go along. Let us understand why there is a huge potential for copywriters. If you see, the market has evolved. In fact, the business has exploded with social media, with digital marketing coming in. We had earlier, people used to send the mailers, right? They had to offer, what is offer, pitch, and everything was going in the mail. People would open it. It is an advertisement type of thing happened. This was time-consuming activity. And the reach that you had also was limited to maybe some neighborhoods, and physical limitations was there. But as the digital marketing evolved in last 8 to 10 years, people became more online. With that, a need of digital marketers has skyrocketed, right? I mean, I say digital marketers, meaning copywriters. These guys are rare, especially the good copywriters are actually rare and can charge about $10,000 to, $50,000 also for the entire copy set that you want to write. So there are main 3 reasons of why copywriting is becoming very popular. Number 1, the importance of high quality content. As the digital space is becoming competitive, it is becoming difficult to grab people's attention. And if somebody can write a great copy which inspires trust and gets the credibility, guess what? Those copies are going to get high response and high returns. So if you are a good quality copywriter, the need for it is very high and you can make a lot of money because of that. Number 2, the versatility of marketing or the market. You see, अभी बहुत सारे permutation combination आ गए हैं copywriting के. पहले सिर्फ email था, just mail में भेज दो, it's fine. But today there are so many, and let me just share it with you. Your ad copy, 1. Your email copies, multiple, another 1. Your landing page, another one. Your thank you page, another one. Then your billboards, another one, right? your chat bots, messages, another one, your WhatsApp group, another one. There's so many ways you can capture people's data, information, and generate leads. So versatility has become more. It's been a wide used thing. And if you look at the billboards, and if you look at the catchy headline, people charge lakhs of rupees just to create that one banner, one billboard. We ignore it, right? But most of the people who grab the attention, great copywriters, they get paid a lot of money, and big companies pay big bucks to copywriters. Number 3, potential of lucrative income or revenue. If you look at this, copywriting directly impacts the top line revenue of business. Meaning, agar leads nahi, to revenue nahi. And where would you get the leads if you don't have good copywriters? So just because you're a great copywriter, you're able to generate more leads, and this is the reason why you can charge more. And the potential of this is high because everybody wants revenue. So these are the 3 reasons why copywriters are growing more and more and more. And there was no better time to get into it than right now. Let me share some statistics with you. And I'm going to read it for you because it's very hard to memorize all the statistics. The first one is the job market of copywriters is expected to grow by 7.6% by 2026 as per the US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Number 2, demand of content marketing professionals, including copywriters, is expected to increase by 26% by 2021, which was as per freelance writing, which is the old data. Right? Almost 70% of companies have dedicated content marketing team, and majority of these teams include copywriters, which is the Content Marketing Institute. It's as per the Content Marketing Institute. 71% of B2B and B2C companies prioritize high quality content as part of their marketing strategy. This is as per Content Marketing Institute. The average hourly rate for a copywriter on an Upwork is $66. In the US, the median annual salary for a copywriter is $61,480. This is as per US Bureau of Labor Statistics. Now you see, these are just the numbers. But even if you don't remember these numbers, remember one thing. If you can write great copy, you can make great money. So what makes a great copywriter great? They need to understand the art of persuasion. And these are some of the points that you need to understand and master when it comes to persuading people through the copy. First, for example, there's a mechanism called IDA. What is IDA? Attention, interest, desire, and action. If you understand all this, and if you're able to generate from interest to all the way to action through the art of writing copy by arousing emotions, guess what? You're the champion copywriter. This is what you need to understand to start with. Number 2, emotional appeal. You see, people don't buy based on logic. They think they do. But most of the people buy or take action based on the emotion, right? Why do we buy some expensive shoes or clothes? Is it a need? Is it logical? No, it's not logical. It is emotional. So great copywriters understand how to arouse emotions and make people take action based on the emotion. Number 3, great copywriters knows how to create urgency and scarcity. You see, most of the people are afraid to make decisions, especially buying decisions. And if you're a great copywriter, you can create an urgency so that they take action right now by creating scarcity, limited time, limited offer. So great copywriters really know how to leverage scarcity and urgency. Next, using social proofs. Copywriters know that people don't just buy whatever you say. People buy because of what others are saying, right? So if I say I'm good, it's okay. But if others say I'm good, then it's great. People trust. Like, think about this, right? When you watch a movie, you ask your friend, hey, did you watch the movie? What do you think about that? You maybe check the reviews, go to a restaurant, check the review. This is called social proof. And more social proof that you have on your copy, great copywriter you'll be, because you'll be able to persuade and convert leads better. Number 5, authority. Great copywriters know how to create an authority through copy. Now, this could be based on the fonts, logo, brand, colors, right? The look and feel has to look very authoritative if you're building landing page, or the flow of the email, using some references, using some case studies. this really helps in building an authority and it makes you a great copywriter. Benefit focused copy. Great copywriters, they understand that they are not selling the drill, they're selling the whole, or in fact, the feeling after somebody's got the whole and they've hang a great family picture. What is the feeling? So they don't sell the drill, they don't even sell the whole, they sell the feeling that they're getting outside. So meaning, not the means, but the benefits and the feelings that they get. So if people keep selling the drill, they will just compete with everybody. So don't sell features and features like this, think about this, right? Somebody's selling a car. Oh, this is made of this, mileage is this is this. But all the features, what does it mean to the customer? What are the benefits? Because of this, you will be able to save this much. Your time, effort, money, convenience, these are the benefits from the features. So great copywriters understand the difference between feature and benefit, and they focus their copies mostly on benefits and the outcome of it. But beyond these core skills, as a copywriter or even any professional, you have to constantly learn and evolve your skills. There could be many other aspects that you need to learn on, but be creative, be open-minded, and start testing and learning and improving your copywriting skills. So how do I become a great copywriter, Dev? These are the skills and these are the things that I need to do. Where do I start? How do I become a copywriter? Let's say I'm a beginner. First and foremost, there are a lot of courses and books available on social media. Go buy some courses, go buy some material. This is going to be the foundation that you get started, okay? And then as you get started, there are some attributes I want you to focus on when you're learning as you go your journey, take your journey to the next level. Number one, start practicing. Imagine, you're looking to learn to drive a car. You learn it, but you don't practice it. Do you think you'll be a great, driver? Of course not. So as the same skill, any skill, practicing is very crucial. And I think it's very straightforward. Write more copies, practice more often. That's number one. Number two, read widely. Meaning, leaders are readers or readers are leaders, whatever you want to call it. But great copywriters, they read a lot of copies. They go back to which was the best copy. What was so special about this? Let me analyze. Let me get inspired from here. They read a lot. In fact, if I'm writing a book, I read a lot of books. Same thing. If you're a copywriter, if you're writing a copy, read a lot of copies. Straightforward. Number three, keep upgrading your skill. Keep buying more courses, more programs, more books, and keep upgrading your skill to the next level. Number four, you build a portfolio, right? What is it that you can write? Why you're good at it? Create a resume or a portfolio or a service and make it ready and make it available. And number five, be willing to take small projects, whether it could be for free or write a copy. Instead of just saying, hey, I'm a copywriter, hire me, reach out to people, write a copy for them, look at their website, look at the landing page, write a copy and say, hey, here's what I thought will add value to you. What do you think about this copy? Give it to them for free. At the beginning level, you have to give to get started, become good at it. And then that's how you start monetizing your copywriting. Now, I'm telling you, there are tons of copywriters available. What you need to do is become the best in copywriting by starting with a dedicated, committed, focused approach, right? This is the process how you get started as a copywriter. The future of copywriting. You see, as the technology is evolving, copywriters will always be in demand. And there are three main reasons why copywriters will be in demand. Number one, the voice-based searches are improving drastically, right? Like Alexas and Amazon Homes and all. You see what is happening? The searches are going higher. And soon you realize everything in our life will be just voice-based. So when this voice-based and search-based is happening, that's where the copywriters and somebody who has ability to write will be high in demand. Number two, the video marketing. The videos are becoming more popular as we go along because of very personalized approach. And because of that, you will need a lot of copywriters, right? So to write the video ads, right, or landing pages ads, you need a good copywriter. That's again a great potential. And number three, you see, like the new technologies like Chat GPT, These AI platforms and technologies are making copywriters' life easier. Now, a lot of people speculate that because of these AI platforms, copywriters' job will reduce and they will be gone. I don't think it's going to happen. I don't think it's going to happen, right? What it will do is it'll become a platform for people to be more efficient. And this is where you'll use the technology and your creativity, your storytelling, your personality, combine all that and create great copies. So these are some of the reasons why copywriting is going to grow to the next level. So how to land your first client when it comes to copywriting? Number one, create your product portfolio, meaning whatever offer that you have, whatever you can write, create a bundle, create the offer, like for one copy this much, for funnel this much, and then create that ready, whether it's on website or on the PDF or on the slides. Create your portfolio, the service that you can offer to people. Number two, network and build relationships. Network is net worth. I've been telling this. Build some network. Attend the copywriting conferences, attend the copywriting events or business events, and this is where you'll build great, strong network. Number three, use job boards or the freelancing platforms like Upwork, freelancer.com, and all these platforms, and create your profile and start creating your projects for future potential buyers. Number four, offer discount or pro bono work for people. As I said, if you're a beginner, nobody knows you, they don't know how good you are, start giving things for free. That's how you start building credibility and eventually start charging as well. Number five, create strong online presence, meaning create content for yourself so that you can market yourself, how to write copy, what are the best copies, what are the wrong copies, why people fail in writing copies, how the conversion can take their business to the next level through the copies. Create content in multiple platforms, multiple ways, so that you attract more people, right? And of course, make sure that you have call to action in every copy that you write. And last but not the least is be proactive. Do not wait for people to come to you. Go to them, find those people, find the leads, share what you can do, and that's how you close a deal. So, in the end, this is the foundation of copywriting, some basic of copywriting. But as I said, focus on buying the courses, go deep dive, build the technical skill. This is just for you to get exposed to what is copywriting, what is the career all about. If you're looking to learn more, find best coaches and trainers in copywriting. I love Dan Lakh because he's the one who started from copywriting and he's good at this. Plus, there are a lot of other people who teach copywriting. I hope this video is valuable. Go and check out the other videos in this series called 21st Century Careers and pick the one which resonates with you the best. This is Gadhvi. I'll see you in the next video.